Hey guys, Cohen here from KindleCashflow.com, and you are listening to the KindleCashflow.com podcast. Hey, I've got something really cool for you today, and that is um, a strategy that I have used consistently, and many of my students have used consistently to generate six figures. Okay, and for some people, it seems like just getting out of a rut of starting to get sales becomes an issue, and it's actually, I found that it's only an issue for some people because they're kind of making it harder than it actually needs to be. So when you get to the point where you can follow the exact blueprint that I have in the Kindle Cashflow program, then I think it'll make a lot more sense for you, right? And I always tell people, listen, I'm giving you this system, follow it. Don't let thinking get in the way. That's the best way that I can describe it, right? Because sometimes people just let thinking get in the way, right? Like if someone gave you the plans for building a car and you were putting this car together, you wouldn't deviate from that, would you? Like you wouldn't say, well, I don't think this thing needs four wheels. Let me just put three wheels on, and maybe I'll put one wheel on top of the roof or something like that. No, but it seems like whenever people get access to a course or a program or some type of training that can show them how to make more money, that can show them how to uh, get better at something. It seems like people just, not everyone, right? There's a small number of people that will do this. For the most part, most people do follow along. But every once in a while, there's a small percentage of people that will say, well, I'm super smart. I'm going to overthink this, or it can't be as easy as he's portraying it to be. Let me add XYZ to this so I can complicate and muddy it a little bit. And then that's when things go haywire. The best thing that you can do is remember to follow the system and not overcomplicate things. Follow the system and not overcomplicate things. Don't try to reinvent the wheel. Okay. So one of the ways that, I've been able to initially just jump into six figures right off the bat is just by doing the market research, as I teach in step one of the Kindle Cash Flow system, right? Going in, doing the market research to find out, number one, what people are already interested in, right? So that's the first thing. No matter what type of business it is that you're starting, no matter what type of topic that you're writing, no matter what type of genre you're publishing your content for, you always want to find out where the marketplace is, right? Where are they? That's the first thing. And then the second thing is, are there enough of those people? Are there enough of them? So let's say you're publishing a book on sci-fi, and you've got a book on sci-fi, and it's a story that talks about this alien population that has taken over the moon, and they're going to do something to destroy the Earth, right? Now, obviously, there's books out there that are kind of similar. There's an audience out there. Those types of books have been selling forever, right? Where there's another population, there's this alien, this foreign population, and their goal is to take over the earth. We've seen lots of books on that. We've even seen like lots of television shows and movies. So there's a huge audience out there. Now, let's say, so you've got that as an option. Let's say you also have the option of publishing a book, a sci-fi book. We'll keep it within the same genre, around this population of aliens that take over the moon with the intention of turning the moon into a big donut, right? That's their only goal, is to turn the moon into a big donut. Well, I think you'd be hard pressed to find a single book, movie, or television show that has a similar storyline. So me personally, I wouldn't touch it. I would go with option A. If I had the choice between the two, go and publish a sci-fi book that dealt with a population of people that wanted to take over the planet Earth, right? Or publish a sci-fi book that dealt with a population of aliens, people, right? That well, maybe aliens technically are not people, but aliens that wanted to uh, take over the moon and turn it into a big donut. I would go with the proven storyline. All right, not reinventing the wheel. So that's it, folks. So learn to just go with what's already working, and you will make your life so much easier. It's as simple as that. That's the six-figure formula. I can't complicate this thing if I wanted to, right? It's going in, doing the market research as I teach in the Kindle cash flow system, which is step one, find out if there's a marketplace. Step two, find out if it's big enough. And then step three, I didn't give you the third step, right? Is find out if they are willing to part with their cash for what it is that you will be making available. All right, so there you go. Ty Cohen here, and I am signing off. Once again, if you don't have the Kindle Cashflow program, you can visit kindlecashflow.com and go in and watch the free training that I have here. Right? I think you'll get a lot of value out of it. There's a 3-step system that I teach. The other thing is we are holding our annual Kindle Cashflow Live event. This one is going to be our biggest event ever. We are planning on having a few hundred people, and I'd love to have you here and join us live and in person as we take you through what it takes to build a $10,000 a month publishing empire, right? And that's whether you like writing or whether you prefer to have someone else write and provide all of the content. I'm going to show you, and my staff, my team will show you how to do that at Kindle Cashflow Live. So to go in and get tickets for that event, that's a live seminar. We have people that are literally across the planet that are coming in to join us. To get your tickets and to reserve your seat, you can go to kindlecashflow.com/live. So kindlecashflow.com/live. And Ty Cohen signing out. Have a blessed day, and remember, you are just one book away.